Hi guys, it's NK here, and I'm going to unbox the MSI gaming headset. This is a very good headset, very durable. So let's go ahead. So this is the box for the MSI gaming headset. You can see the logo in the front. On the side also there is a logo and the side view of the headset. So now this is the main description area where it's written MSI gaming headset. And there is a 3.5 mm jack to the device, anti-noise mic, controller, and the audio is over the ear, close back, dynamic, and the sensitivity is 103 plus minus 3 dB, and the microphone has the sensitivity of 38 plus or minus 3 dB, and the design is 3.5 mm gold plated jack, 1.8 meter cable, stainless steel body. So it's absolutely durable headset, and it is a wonderful device. And on one of its end it's written it's a top class 53 mm driver, special trimming, acoustics, easy control of volume, microphone on and off switches there, plug and play of 3.5 mm. I'm trying to open the box now. It's True Gaming. Their logo is basically saying True Gaming. Some are PC VR gaming, So it's so this is. I'm just trying to take out the headset from the box. So this is the headset. It is absolutely stunning, durable, strong, and this is the side view. It has the MSI logo on it, stainless steel body, absolutely brilliant looking, and the cushion on the top gives the comfort. Again, the body looks absolutely good. It looks one of the premium headsets. The cables, as you can see, it's quite durable, and this is the microphone. Even that's very durable, and this is the controller with the volume and the mic on and off switch. The cable, as you can see, it's quite thick, quite durable, rough and tough. And at the end there are the connectors, one for the voice to listen and the other one is for the mic. There are logos to indicate which indicator is for which connector is for what. Excuse me for my the quality of the video, but it shows the logo for what it represents. So this is a brilliant headset for gaming, durable, strong, absolutely stunning. Thank you very much.